Okay, moving on to question 2. 2a, they want us to write two different phrases to describe this algebra expression, x plus 3. So if you go back to the book, if you go back to page 167, that's where you will see all the ways to describe addition at the bottom box. So the example that they have on the book is x plus 2 can be written as just x plus 2. It can also be 2 more than a number. The sum of a number and 2. And 2 more than x. So these are all ways that we can use to describe addition. So we can use the word plus, we can use more than, we can use the sum of. Yeah, more than again, 2 more than x, 2 more than a number. So for the question that we have is x plus 3, I can say this is x plus 3. I can also say this is 3 more than a number. Right? So we really just need to go back to page 167 to look at all the ways to describe them. To be 4 plus a. I can just say this is 4 plus a, 4 more than a number. Or I can even say a number more than 4. C, y minus 2. So I can just say y minus 2. I can also say 2 less than a number. So be very careful, right? This is 2 less than a number. The number is y. So 2 less than a number is going to be meaning y minus 2 here. D, 5 minus b. So 5 minus b, very easy one. And then a number less than 5. So we can always use the phrase a number to represent the variable. In this case, it's just b. Number less than 5. E, 2 times x. I can also use the word the product of to represent multiplication, the product of 2 and a number. F, 6 divided by c. So again, the easy one, 6 divided by c. I can also say this is the quotient. The quotient of 6 and a number. So that's F, and then G. We have Z divided by 4. I can also say this is the quotient of a number and 4. H, 5 times C, or 5 times C, or the product of 5 and C. 5 and a number. I'm going to use and a number. I, 5 divided by x. This is 5 divided by x, which is also the quotient of 5 and a number. J, b divided by 2.1, b divided by 2.1, or the quotient of b and 2.1. Okay, this is 2/3 times x. So I can definitely call this 2/3 times x. What the product of 2/3 and x. L 5 times y over 4. So I can say, yeah, just 5 times y divided by 4. I can say the quotient of 5 times y and 4. M x plus y over 2. So I can say that this is the sum of. Whenever I use the word the sum of, it means that I want we want to add first. So the sum of x and y, and then divided by 2. Okay, also use the word the quotient of. The quotient of the sum of two numbers and 2. And then n, 3 times a plus b. This is 3 times the sum of a and b. Again, I'm using the sum of because I want to add it first, like there's a bracket. The product of 3 and the sum of two numbers. And then 2 times x minus 3. So 2 times x minus 3. I can say this is 3 less than the product of 2 and a number. P x over 2 minus 3. So x divided by 2 minus 3. The quotient of a number and 2, and then minus 3. Or maybe I'll just say 3 less than. 3 less than the quotient of a number and 2. Q 5 plus 2 times a. 5 plus 2 times a. The sum of 5 and the product of 2 and a number. And finally, the last one, 12 minus 3a. So 12 minus 3 times a. 3 times, maybe just the product of 3 and a number. The product of 3 and a number less than 12. There. Okay. So that's question 2. I'll see you in question 3.